Hello everyone and welcome to this video again. इसी दिन में I have posted another video regarding pronouns class 8 which is a very familiar topic. Okay, so yes, I asked a question. Last में मैंने question ask किया था and I told you to answer it in the comment box. Got two of them. Not actually I can say winners, but yes, the two who answered the most. The first who answered was Soumya Singla and the second Bhumika Dahiya, named as Jayant Dahiya in the comment section. So thank you so much for participating. More people can also participate and make it much more interesting. Moving towards our today's next topic, that is modal verbs, or we can also say it as modal. What are modals? What is a modal verb? Okay. So basically a modal verb is also known as a helping verb. It means it helps a verb. How it helps a verb? It helps in giving the additional information about the main verb by which it is followed up. Like they go out. They must go out. So they go out. In it, go main verb. It is not supported by any modal verb, but in the next sentence they must go out. Must is an obligation shown here, which is a modal verb. So basically the modal verbs, they support the helping verb. Moving back, they are used as an auxiliary verb. We can also say them as auxiliary verb. They do not show the tense or any subject agreement or the agreement between the sentence and the subject. He can go, not he cans go. We cannot change the tense, we cannot change the gender, we cannot change the number, right, of the sentence. It is used before the negative particle in not negation. I cannot go, right? Before the subject in yes, no questions. Can you go? It is used in asking questions as well, right? We have it is very a long chapter, right? Infinitives, infinitives, and these all are not actually much appropriate. Moving towards our next one. Here you can see the picture. It is a picture of a book, okay? And here the first modal verb is can, which have the meaning of ability, possibility, informal request, giving permission, or impossibility. First, for ability, it is I can play the piano. That I have the ability that I can play piano. Possibility, loud noise can damage. It has a possibility, right? Can I come in? It is an informal request which can be done by the one that are of your age. You can come to my office tomorrow. Here it is to give permission. It can't be true. It is an impossibility that it can't be true. So like this, kindly go through this picture. So this is all about modal verbs. Here I have shown it more colorfully. Can is used for ability, either for doubt, for astonishment, permission, or polite request. Right? And permission, may is used for permission. Like this, kindly go through this chart once. So this is about our modal verbs, right? Only thing is modals are the helping verbs, that's it, which gives us or additional information, or they support the main verb in the sentence. So right, so this was all about this video about modals. It is a really short video, but yes, it can actually help you in getting a brief about what. This was all about me, Muskan Pathak, along with the examples of modal verbs and their types. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video, subscribe the channel, like the video.